People are turning 65 in daily massive numbers. Tell me about that.
Numbers. 10,000 a day is the latest number that I heard are turning 65. So, and again, these people, you don't have a choice. You've got to make a move. You got to do something. So if we're the person educating them, we're the person that's showing them all the options, and we don't try to sway somebody one way or another, a client, we just lay out the facts and say which direction is best for you. And we'll get 95% of the people that we talk to that will become clients. So yes, the opportunity is just huge right now. I mean, no matter how many, I'm going to call them stores, how many agencies we open up in cities, you're not going to oversaturate this business.
Yeah, what I love about you, Bobby, and Delta Benefits is you care about your people. You pour into your people. You know, guys, if you don't know it yet, mentors are so important in life. I mean, I'm a result of that in my life. I wouldn't be here without those people. And having such a tremendous opportunity in business, but also having somebody like you that cares about their health, cares about their mindset, cares about their motivation, provides training. You know, these are recipes for success. Let's talk a little bit more about that.